Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to earn money on Binance even if you don't have any money to invest. Binance offers a right to earn program where you can earn rewards by creating useful content. Just remember this is not an instant money making method, it takes consistency and patience. Just create and verify your Binance account, then go to Profile Square and set up your profile with a username and profile picture. After that, open Right to Earn, complete the requirements, and register. To create a post, use AI tools like ChatGPT or Gemini to generate a short article about a crypto coin or asset. Then paste it into Binance Square. Mention the coin using the dollar symbol, add a few relevant hashtags, attach an image or chart, and publish your post. As your post gets more views and engagement, you can start earning rewards from Binance. Your earnings will be sent directly to your funding wallet. It's a free way to earn without making any deposit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.